bad blood does not last. Eventually, everybody makes up, right? Ashton Kutcher and Charlie Sheen reunited at the Dodgers game. The Dodgers didn't win. So
Dodgers
that
got
didn't
creamed yesterday.
Maybe this is bad luck, them coming back together. Dodgers lost, but watching the game, both were there. Charlie Sheen and Ashton Kutcher, who, of course, there was some bad blood once Charlie left 2.5 Men, and then Ashton came in.
And then Charlie said bad things about him.
About Ashton, and Ashton said some stuff back.
Did he say stuff back? I forgot.
He did, well, not mean things.
It was kind of bad. It was, well, here's the thing. What this proves, guys, is that people in this town right now bleed blue. And the Dodgers are in a hunt to get to the World Series, and these two guys, although had some issues, agree on one thing: they want the Dodgers to win. And I am told that basically what happened is these are the good seats. If you can go back and look, really close to the field. These are very, very expensive seats at the Dodger games. A lot of celebrities sit in this area, and someone sitting next to Charlie saw Ashton, or knew Ashton, and when Ashton got up, he said, "Hey, Charlie's over here." Ashton walked over, and as you can see, he tapped him on the shoulder and said, "Hey, what's going on?" They shook hands, and, you know, were very, very cordial to each other.
That's cool.
And, you know,
That's
at this point, even
I think
though...
that's nice.
That's really nice of Ashton. I like that. I mean, he could have been like, "No, I don't want to get involved in any of that." And he walked over and shook his hand.
Well, and right now, look, maybe they had some issues in the past. Very common bond right now.
And Mila Kunis, by the way, Mila
Dodgers.
Kunis, we talked, somebody was at the game, Jason was at the game, and Jason said Mila Kunis, who's like 8 months pregnant, was like raised like a huge fan, and there the whole time. And
she's cheering for two.
Yep. Cheering for two.
Hi guys, Kim from Maryland. I think Ashton Kutcher is a stand-up guy. I've always liked him. I like how he presents himself. And I think that it was good of him to go over and shake Charlie's hand. Let's face it, Charlie kind of dug his own grave a few years ago and really shot himself in the foot. And to get mad at Ashton to step in and take charge is ridiculous.
Speaking of, he actually literally dug his own grave in the show, because remember, he died in the show, which is why Ashton came in.